Hello, welcome to Plausible Learning. Have you ever noticed that recently when you want to open a video in YouTube, so you go open Internet Explorer because you want that video in your Super Memo collection. But what happens is that it redirects to Microsoft Edge because Internet Explorer is way too old, right? But I cannot import this video here to Super Memo. So what you can do, actually it's very easy to avoid this redirection. Now that you are already on Microsoft Edge, and if you are like me, that I never use this app, I use always Firefox. So you go here, settings, now Internet Explorer, okay, here it is, and you change this incompatible sites only that affect YouTube among others to never, and that's it. You can close this window now, and if I copy it again, Internet Explorer again, now it works. So now, as like all times, I can just import it to my collection. YouTube. And now you can start your incremental video.